You're bidding on a pair of Simplex 85A railroad house barn ratcheting jack. These are in nice shape. They came from a closed plant. There is, other than regular use, there is no evidence of any breakage or repair. They're in nice operating condition. Let me operate this thing here. Everything functions on them. This here, you flip this lever down. Very nice shape, good operating condition. You can either use them in your machine shop or put them in your living room for an antique collectible, but they're nice and in operating condition. Good luck bidding.